Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today is the lecture number 4, BBA semester 4, Business Communication. The topic of today's discussion is that analyzes realistic business situation and select the communication strategy or methodism appropriate situation to bring out the desired outcome. So today's lecture number 4, in which we make an analysis about the marketing situation and a realistic business situation, and also adaptation of a specific kind of the strategy to get the outcome. Even then there would be a fluctuation in the marketing situation, there would a slumping condition can also be containing some time, and also there would be a very positive mood is also showing in the market. So now the wise businessman always has the ability to analyze the ideal situation and also took the opportunity which is also prevail at the present time. So to prepare a situation analysis, you must consider challenges and trends that can affect your marketing programs. To be prepared for economic cycle and review your competition's current status. After identification of the threats and opportunities, you need to give some serious steps to respond them. Analysis of the business situation is the important tool of every businessman needs to ensure the marketing tactics. So these are the steps which are also taking in a form of the advantages of the real situation. So opportunity and solving real problem is another strategy to have the analysis of the present situation. In other words, it provides the context you need to move forward with your planning. So this analysis helps the businessman to define context for marketing, competitors, strengths and weakness, so that anything that may impact the market, to understanding that may understanding the economic cycle, threats and opportunities. A businessman must capable to analyze the situation by keeping in mind all relevant factors which can affect the marketing situation and give safety measures to your investment. So the process of the analysis is generally taken and also going through such kind of the situation in which we can also analyze the situation, and this method is generally known as the SWOT SWOT. SWOT SWOT. So this is a abbreviated form of a 4-dimension study, 4-dimensional strategical situation. So SWOT, S for strength and W for weakness, O for opportunities and T for threats. So now the first point is that strength. Identify the strong point of your products, brand, image and marketing programs, so you know what to build on in your plan. Your strengths are the key to your future success. You must keep focus on your source of the marketing for the advertisement and for sale and purchase. So now the second point is that the weaknesses. Well aware businessman always have has in mind all kind of the weak points of his products, and also he has the option to clear या overcome all weak points to remain in the marketing situation, to point out very deliberately the areas in which your products, brand, image and marketing programs are relatively weak, because some weak products losing the confidence of the competitors, you must replace them by them other better one and seek a strong source of advertising. So this is the important way through which you are also having the awareness about the weak points of your product, because definitely if you want to maintain survive in the marketing condition, so you must adapt yourself according to the modernism, and also you must bring all kind of the changes in your product, because definitely it is a part of the business, because you must maintain yourself according to the transitions in the marketing productions. So now the other one is the opportunities. Your situation analysis needs to look for opportunities such as a hot growth market you can participate in, or an exciting new way to reach the prospective customers. So opportunities are always provide the option for all businessmen equally, but those businessmen, they take the advantage and know how to catch the situation and get the advantage of the opportunity which is also prevailing in some form. They always get over the situation and can play a vital role to maintain their status in the marketing situation. So and those who are unable to catch the situation could not survive in the market, and also go away, also flashed or crashed according to the situation, because they are unable to compete the situation. So now the next point is that threats. A threat is any external trend or change that can reduce your sales or profits, or make it hard to achieve your growth goals. Common threats include new technologies that create new competitors, large competitions that can outspend you, and also economic growth rate shrinks in size. Your plan need to respond to threats effectively, so identify the main ones as accurately and honestly as you can. So threats can also make you alert about the incoming situation, because a wise businessman always keep all kind of the situation in the mind, and also invest his capital very carefully, because definitely he has already planned all kind of the situation for the to secure of his investment. So in this way all kind of the situation are also if in the hand of a businessman, so he can also catch the situation. So if he keep in his mind all the situation, now the situations strengths and also weak points and opportunity, and the threats which were also can face in the market to any businessman, so he can also catch the situation. So in a way, now the messages also play a very important role in this way, because definitely when any businessman also passing through a slumping condition, so he may use all kind of the possible sources for the enhancement of his business activities. So messages play an important role in this way. To achieve the desired outcome, you need messages that will inspire the defined audience to take the necessary action. So effective communication strategies use a systematic process and behavioral theory to design and implement communication strategies include the some elements. So brief summary of the situation analysis and the audience segmentations. So all these things which can also help you to come out from the slumping condition, and also it also provide you an opportunity to maintain your status in the market. The communication strategy is the critical way through which you can also maintain yourself in the marketing situation. So it can also play a very important role, and which is the bridging the situation analysis and the implementation of a social and behavior change. So communication program, it is written in a form of the SBCC. So this is also another important strategy which is used according to the situation. So S mean situation. So S mean is also taking as the situation, and B for benefits, C for communication, and also the other C has been also taken as the communication channels. So in a way, this is the strategy through which you can also handle the situation. So brief summary of the situation analysis, in which the audience segmentations, communication objectives, approach for achieving objectives, and benefits and methods to encourage desired changes. So communication channel to disseminate messages in this way. So implementation plan and also monitoring and evaluation plan, and also your budget strats can also play a very vital role and is considered as an important strategy to handle the situation. So different kind of the communication strategy can also be used in this way. So now the more important is that the verbal and the non-verbal visuals. So visual causes such as the body language, facial impressions, physical distances between communicators, and tone of your voice. So verbal communication, all kind of the source of the communication which are also used to communicate effectively and to catch the situation are always must be used by any businessman. So now the verbal communication is also another important strategy to get out the situation, to get the outcome of the present marketing situation. So the visual ads can also be consisted such as the signs, web pages, illustration. So these are the factors which help you to come out and handle the situation. So these are the strategy. Any successful businessman always has the ability to analyze the situation, and also he was well aware about the weak points of his weaknesses of his products. So and also is capable to analysis the real business situation. So his strength, because definitely sometime he must face some uneven barriers which can also affect on his product. So sometime investors invest much more money, much more capital as compared to a small businessman, because definitely now this is the testimony of his strategy, because definitely he has a less capital in the market, but on the behalf of the on the behalf of his strategy, he may survive in the market, because definitely there is a huge challenge is also facing him in a form of the modern technology, in form of the much bigger investment as compared himself. And also opportunity are also equally operates for both of them. One who is also have a heavy investment in the market, and a person who has a low investment as compared to the heavy investment in the market. But also the only difference is the use of strategy. Who can also survive in the market, who can also handle the situation, who can also maintain himself according to the situation, and also opportunities which are also operates equally. But a person who handle well the situation and leave out of such kind of the situation, and he may get the desired outcome even in a worse condition or in a slumping condition. Thank you so much.